In this video presentation, I'm going to be talking about prescribed meshes. Prescribed meshes are used when you have a face that has an existing mesh and you want to imprint that on the standard Ennova model. So when Ennova meshes the volume itself, instead of meshing that face itself, it just reads that mesh from the prescribed mesh. There's probably a few scenarios where this is useful. One is, for example, inside Ennova, if you want to mix and match shrink wrapping with topology meshing. So you've got a shrink wrap model and the topology cell zone, for example. You want to take and you want to connect the face that connects between the cell zone and the normal fluid. You want to have the same. Another example maybe is that you've got this model may have been pre-meshed, either in Ennova or a different software, and you want to imprint that meshing face on your Ennova model. So first of all, we'll take a look at what the prescribed face we're going to use today looks like. Ennova uses a Nastran file format, and so if we open up the file, here is the face that we're going to say has come from some other model that we want to imprint on our existing model. So let me just close that now and look at, we have a model, and I will just delete that mesh so that we can start from scratch so you can see. So I have this face here, this interface. If I just mesh it normally at Ennova, I will get something like that. And so if we want to connect to a structured cell zone with this interface, that would be a problem. So what we have now in Ennova is that you can simply choose this face, set the mesh parameters, scroll down here to prescribed face, accept, and bring in the interface file and accept, like so. So now when we want to do a surface mesh, you'll see our prescribed face is now automatically embedded in the file. And this is with the topology mesher. So another option is to do the shrink wrap. So we can now, so instead of meshing this box via the topology mesher, if we were to mesh with the shrink wrap, we can shrink wrap the volume, and you can see that we have the shrink wrap mesh there. After the remesh though, you can see the remesher faithfully reproduces the interface mesh we've got.